WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Jonathan Myers, and this is your WUSA 9 weather webcast for today and actually the next several days. We expect a cold snap to set in. It's going to be blustery too, especially today, perhaps even for Tuesday. Now with that cold air in place, of course, you may have been kind of following socials all weekend long, social media posts and even newscasts beginning to kind of hone in on the potential of something happening middle of this upcoming week for Wednesday into Thursday with a potential impact from a snowstorm. And now that potential is with a capital potential because it looks like at this point, snow lovers, things may be waning for us here in terms of hope for the DMV. But again, we're going to get into it a little deeper in a moment. First, until noon Monday, this is why we've reissued our weather impact alert. This is for not only potentially weather that could have you adjusting your plans or kind of inconvenience weather, disruptive weather, but also could be potentially life-threatening as trees have been coming down and have had a history of coming down with the winds with this storm. So until noon Monday, it's not going to be the 60 to 70 mile an hour winds that we had in the past 24 hours like Reagan National, which got up to 60 miles an hour, and actually Sibyllesville up in Frederick County made it up to 76 miles an hour over hurricane force. But we will see some winds up to potentially 50 miles an hour in that kind of mustard color. So do expect the potential still of some lawn furniture and objects outside being thrown around, maybe some smaller limbs, maybe even a tree or two still, that's been kind of beaten up over the past 24 hours, still coming down. So futurecast, let's hop over to the snow potential as we head into the middle of this week. Today, tomorrow, either way are going to be dry days and cold. Then into Wednesday, there's a system, the beginnings at 5 a.m. Petersburg to Harrisonburg. Starts moving pretty quickly down to our south. Wednesday, this is at 12:45 p.m. Now, it appeared that potentially this could combine with another system which would drag all this moisture north and across the district and really turn this into potentially a really large system for us. But now, looks like this system number one, we'll call it, is going to glance just to our south and then to our southeast and then offshore. Here comes system number two. There it is. That's on Thursday. And we could see some snow showers or flurries with it, but not really anything hugely impactful here. Again, this is our latest data that came in overnight and early this morning. There will be more that comes in today as the system actually makes kind of a landfall, if you will, or kind of makes a push inland across the Pacific Northwest. We're going to have some weather balloon launches this morning, right around, say, 7, 8 o'clock this morning. That data is going to be fed into these computer models, and we're going to have a much better certainty or hold on the exact forecast for Wednesday, Thursday by then, probably this afternoon, this evening. But in any case, the trends are not good if you want snow, and it looks like this thing primarily misses us. Now, could we see some accumulation? It's not out of the question. Maybe some light accumulation, and that's a big maybe. If the current trends hold, we may be just seeing kind of a total miss here with this computer model saying about a ½ inch of snow. This is our European computer model, very accurate in these types of snow systems. And where this thing really gets going, 3, 4, 5 inches of snow. This is down into the extreme eastern northern neck of Virginia, down the lower Delmarva. And this one could be Norfolk snowstorm, where you see up to about potentially a foot of snow for them. And that could have been ours, but right now it doesn't look like that is going to be the case. High temperatures today in the 30s to near 40. 40 in the district, will be at 36 at Gaithersburg, 37 at Leesburg. Tonight it is cold, 24 as that Arctic air is setting up in the district. 20 at Gaithersburg, 22 Leesburg, and 24 at Joint Base Andrews. Some teens and single digits way up in the mountains. Look at your next 10 days. 44 today, 38 tomorrow, 27 for Wednesday. There's that cold air. It's here Wednesday, Thursday. So if it came, it would be snow. But unfortunately, we just may not have the system. And then Friday, Saturday, Arctic air releases its grip a little bit as we rise through the 30s into the 40s Sunday. And whoa, look at that. Could be well above average into early next week. Will spring have sprung? Well, we shall see as we get closer. But nonetheless, there's some hope. Temperature at 44 today, blustery and chilly weather impact alert continues through the morning, through noontime. Those winds, again, will be up to 50 miles an hour, potentially in gusts. Temperatures going to be topping out, again, below average. 38 for tomorrow. And again, want to take another gander at those winds because this is important. As we head through the day today, those winds are going to be coming down in intensity. Still 30, 40, potentially isolated 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts through the morning, but by afternoon into overnight and early tomorrow, you see we're more in the 20 to 30-mile-an-hour range, and potentially by later Tuesday into Wednesday could be below that. And then we get geared up for whatever happens here in the middle of the week. We do have a weather impact alert still painted here, but again, it does appear at this point that most impacts should be south and east of us. And again, that alert is going to be very fluid. That could be subject to change. And then 37 on Friday, and then a little bit of a gradual warm up, but still chilly into the weekend. Have a great day.